Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to create a Woocommerce shop with Coblog and Gutenberg. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Appearance, then click Themes, and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar and type Coblog. Install and activate the Coblog theme. Next, go to Plugins, then Add New and search for Woocommerce. Install and activate the Woocommerce plugin. After activation, the setup wizard will guide you to add your store details like address, currency, payment methods, and shipping options. Complete this setup. Now go to Pages, then click Add New. A new page will appear where you can use the Gutenberg editor to design your shop layout. Click on the plus icon to add Woocommerce blocks such as Product Grid, Featured Products, Best-Selling Products, or Add to Cart buttons. Drag and drop them as you like. You can also customize the look of your shop by going to Appearance Customize. From here, you can change colors, typography, header, and footer to match your store style. Finally, publish your shop page, save changes, and refresh your website to see your new Woocommerce shop built with Coblog and Gutenberg. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.